Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Burmese-born medical doctor who was living in Jamaica since 1997 was found dead with his throat slashed at his home in Savlamar, Westmoreland on Sunday afternoon. The 57-year-old general practitioner Dr. Ong Nain was reportedly living alone. Concerned neighbors raised an alarm to the police after not seeing him for several days. Dr. Ning started his career as an intern at the Kingston Public Hospital in Kingston, Jamaica, following his arrival from Burma, now called Myanmar, a country in Asia. He then moved to work to the Savlamar Hospital and later the Noel Holmes Hospital in Lucy, Hanover. Up to the time of his death, Dr. Ning operated a private practice in Savlamar. According to the police, there was no evidence of forced entry into the home. It's not immediately clear up to the publication of this report how long the doctor has been dead for. The police have since commenced an investigation and a motive has not yet been established. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.